I want to wish you a warm welcome to your new journey on freelancer.com. Personally, it was one of the biggest turning points of my life, especially from a business perspective, and I firmly believe that you can achieve the same success. There's a tremendous opportunity here, and I'm super excited for what lies ahead for all of us. For those of you who do not know me yet, I'm Matt, the owner of Brydoc, #1 ranked team on freelancer.com. And you can find me by going into search, freelancers, and then please feel free to reach out and say hi. There are a few major points in your freelancing journey, and today I will touch on each and every one of them, but I will also explain on better detail in my next videos. My goal is to teach you how to become a perfect freelancer, so if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, because I have massive plans in store for us. There are so many mistakes that even seasoned freelancers are making, so make sure to stay until the end and absorb absolutely everything in. Here are the points that we are going to cover today. Your profile, which includes a profile photo, bio, and a portfolio, search for projects, hourly rate and my formula, and bidding and how to find projects. Before everything, it is important that you decide what you want to do and really become an expert in it. There are just a handful of skills today that are not paying really well if you master it. There are three major sections on your profile: your profile photo, your bio, which includes tagline and description, and lastly your portfolio. According to the data from freelancer.com team, a profile photo should be a clear headshot on a white background. And I see so many freelancers that get this wrong. Why should employer hire you if you show unprofessionalism from the get-go? For the descriptions and taglines, it took me a while to realize this, but you need to focus on the first 160 characters. That many characters employers will see when browsing through the list of numerous freelancers, so it is super important to capture their attention. Of course, make sure to keep the rest of it as professional. And let me show you how to use ChatGPT here. If you are new to the topic, ChatGPT is a revolutionary new tech that can do all of the hard work for you. You simply go to ChatGPT, tell it who you are and what you do, and I will use copywriting as an example, and instruct it to provide you with a 50-character tagline and a 500-character description, because that is how many letters can fit on your profile. Portfolio section is the go-to factor for employers when selecting freelancers to work on their project. If you do not have a portfolio yet, make sure to go to sites like sharpen.design, which will generate work ideas, and then you can use it to build up your portfolio. There are two major ways to win projects on freelancer.com: projects and contests. Projects might be a little bit better because the employer will select only one freelancer to work on their project, but on the other hand, it might be a little bit hard to stand out. For that, you have contests. You can browse contests here, and the way that contests work is that the employers will write what they need, and you will have a chance to compete for prize with other freelancers. While the prize is not guaranteed, you have a big chance to be seen, and if you are good at what you do, maybe even selected. For me, this is a great way to build your reviews early. On the other hand, if you want to go for projects, you can just select different criteria and different filters that match your skills and what you want to be paid for. Now that you know how freelancer.com works, it's time that you set your hourly rate. One of the most important aspects in getting a project is setting a rate that employers are willing to pay for your services. I created a very simple formula that can guide you, but on the other hand, it's important that you understand what you want to charge and what the employers are willing to spend in your services. So this is the formula: your total monthly cost of living multiplied by 1.5 to 2 times. So if your total monthly living cost is $800, you should be charging at least $1,200 to $1,600 per month, which is roughly $7 to $10 per hour. And please note that this is not financial advice. You should be comfortable with what you are charging for and bring at least the same value to employers back. And finally, once you're ready, you should start bidding on projects. I always have my bidding templates ready, and I changed the introduction to keep it custom. And why does it need to be custom for every single client? For two reasons. First, because you can easily get banned if you're copying and pasting your bids. And second, because the clients want to see unique offers. For this, I use an app called Clippy, which allows me to easily store my templates and use them when needed. Now you can go ahead and see more details on how to start here, or on the other hand, if you are ready to go into it, here you can check my custom bid winning formula that helps me win 5 times more projects than the best freelancers in the world. If you found all of this information valuable, I would appreciate a subscribe, because there will be a lot more. See you in the next one.